You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.
Hello and welcome to Lab 20, Creating a Permission Scheme. Let's move ahead. For this lab, we need to log in into home.atlassian. As you can see, I have logged into home.atlassian. Now let's click on Jira Service Management and we'll click on top right corner. We have settings. We'll go click on settings and then we'll click on work items. On work item page in left, we'll scroll down under workflow. We have workflow and we have work item attributes. If you scroll down further, work item attributes. Under that we have permission schemes. Click on that. On permission schemes, we are going to click on add permission scheme. Here we are going to give name as test for Jira. Let me just copy it again. Okay, and description also we are going to add permission scheme used for testing Jira access configuration. Then we'll click on add. And if we scroll down, now we have on this work item permission schemes, we have test permission scheme for Jira. Now let's move ahead and perform another task in this lab. In this task, we are going to add users, group or roles to a permission scheme. Now let's move ahead. We'll scroll down and we are going to click on test permission scheme that we have just created. Click on this. On work item page of test permission that we have created, click on update next to or parallel to administer projects. Click on update, check space role, and from drop down we are going to select customer. Remember the customer space role that we have created, customer group that we have created. Now we are going to check group and again we are going to select customer and then we are going to click on update. On test permission, as you can see, we have this, you have granted the permission for you. We'll scroll down and next to edit workspace, here if you see, next to edit workspace, we'll click on update. Next to edit workflow, we'll click on update. Again, same thing, we are going to click on space role and select customer. We are going to select group and we will select customer and then we are going to click on update. On test permission schema for Jira, the one that we have created, now if you will see, administer project will have customer in space role, in group we have customer, in edit workflow we have space role which has customer and group which has customer. With this, we have completed lab number 20. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.